In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a registration form in Wix Studio. To get started, open your project in the Wix Studio editor. This is where you will build and customize the form directly inside your site. So make sure you are in the correct project before moving forward. Once your editor is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the plus icon, also called Add Elements. This is where Wix Studio keeps the building blocks for your website, including sections, design elements, and forms. When the panel opens, select Contact and Forms. Inside this area, click to create a new form. This will take you into the form editor, where you can set up the registration form based on the information you want to collect. The form editor is designed to make customization simple, so you can quickly add the fields your visitors need to fill out. From here, use the options on the right side general section to add the appropriate elements to your registration form. Common choices include name, email, phone, and address fields. As you add each field, think about what information is actually necessary for your registration process. Keeping a form clear and focused usually helps visitors complete it more easily. You can also decide which fields should be required. In the General section, toggle on the required setting for any element that must be completed before someone can submit the form. This is especially useful for important contact details, since it helps make sure you receive the key information you need. At the same time, it's a good idea not to make too many fields mandatory unless they are truly essential, because shorter and simpler forms often lead to better completion rates. Once you are happy with the fields and settings, click Save, then close the window to return to the main editor. Back in the Wix Studio workspace, take a moment to adjust the layout and spacing of your form so it looks clean and easy to use. Make sure to check both desktop and mobile views. This step is important because a form that looks great on a large screen may need spacing or alignment changes on a phone. Reviewing both versions helps ensure your registration form is responsive and accessible across devices. After everything looks the way you want, click Publish to make the changes live on your site. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.